What is up, guys? We are here at Yosemite
National Park.
A handy dandy map.
Let me see that, by the way. So, we have a lot of options.
Me down into deep again, into deep again.
So right now we are going to Bridalveil Falls. You park and then it's a short walk up to the falls.
1,000 feet.
So we will check back in once we get up to the butte.
Here we go.
I get so hollow, 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 hollow. Don't leave me hollow, 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 hollow.
If you do this hike, make sure to wear waterproof clothing. Tia did the smart thing. I got a little wet.
Let's just say that it's sunny up here and it was almost like a torrential downpour.
Yeah, you get the spray from the falls coming down on you. Holy tree.
Whoa.
Check that out.
Can't let you go, let you go.
Right now we are on our way to Vernal Falls, and on the little board thing it said that it was one of the most popular falls in the park. So hopefully it's proving to be true.
Don't bring those feelings back again, not again.
I've resorted to pushing Tia
Up the hill.
up the hill. I mean, it is pretty steep.
My breath has
Probably
out
not
of
even.
elevation.
Your what?
My breaths are out of elevation.
I don't know what she's talking about. She's getting a little loopy with the heights here. Up the hill. Up the hill. Don't mind us.
Ow.
Don't leave me hollow, 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 hollow. Don't leave me hollow, 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 hollow. I can't let you go. You gotta hold my heart and my soul.
Officially made it to the top here. It's a beautiful rainbow at the waterfall. Probably can't see much because all the water coming down here. This is the mist trail, but this is crazy.
Let you go. Hollow, 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 hollow. Don't leave me hollow, 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 hollow.
I almost quit like 30 times. Just kidding.
This is a steep hike. We thought it was gonna be like a flat, nice,
I
easy,
thought we're gonna walk up to a waterfall.
like 1 mile. We are here at,
Lower Yosemite Falls.
and it is awesome.
Super awesome.
This is like the main, I would say like the main falls when you come into the park. You see this one probably photographed the most, right?
Yeah, this one is the one that you can see from the meadow.
And it's also a very easy hike to get up to the bottom of it. So that means a lot of people come up here, but we wanted to check out something a little closer. If you want to get up here, just go left of the bridge and follow the rocks up towards the waterfall and you'll find it. But
My hands are cold.
all right, we're vlogging. We'll check back in a little bit.
Things don't feel the same now you're away from me. I get so hollow, 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 hollow. Don't leave me hollow, 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 hollow. Don't leave me hollow, 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 hollow. Don't leave me hollow, 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 hollow.
Go.
How's it look?
No time to be going through the motions. Don't bring those feelings back again. Not again. that you left with me. Things don't feel the same now you're away from me. I get so hollow, 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 hollow,